From what company po sila?
Adults now.
Galing po kami sa Raymond and Lands Incorporated.
We're from Store 360 Philippines Inc.
State Properties Corporation.
Novcon. Kamusta po ang experience nila sa workshop?
It's actually very informative. We're able to learn all about the different materials, different finishes that we can apply to our projects. And we're also able to first-hand experience.
Marami natutunan. Kagaya nito.
Ayun. Ayan, eto.
Hindi natin hindi namin nagagawa na namin ngayon.
Maganda po, saka nakadagdag ng kaalaman po sa pagre-repaint saka sa walling.
Ayun.
Super fun.
Really? Masaya!
And education.
Ayun, thank you. For instance, ito po yung mga favorite nila na mga nagawa. This one is granite and this Riba. And this one is also easy granite.
This one is travertine.
Travertine and suko. Ayun. This one is deco render paste na smooth finish. Ano pa pong ibang mga products ang napusuan nila? Yeah, this one, really easy. This is Eternia coatings na ginamitan lang ng roller. Ayan, this one naman is Deco Stucco. Ito naman dalawa. Ito yung ginamitan nila ng Deco Render paste na textured.
Halos lahat po, magaganda rin naman po.
Lahat. Sobrang gagaling nila. As in, isang turo mo lang sa kanila, kuha agad nila yung gagawin. Ang galing nyo talaga.
Guys, for inviting you to attend this kind of seminar kasi dagdag kaalaman din siya for us, especially sa mga painter natin sa company. And kung may construction firm kayo, malaking tulong siya if you have projects.
Ayun.
Please join their workshop because we learned a lot here and we were able to experience it firsthand, and we'd like you to experience it too.
Kahit wala silang experience beforehand, kasi kami rin, wala rin kaming experience before this. So, pwede silang mag-join dito. And
Yes.
then, sobrang saya ng activity.
Ayun, masaya daw. So, come and join po kasi marami po kayong matututunan dito.